Alright, let's make the sesame sauce first. Put sugar, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 5 tablespoons of sugar. Alright, 2 tablespoons of Chinese salty wine, 2 tablespoons of plain white vinegar, and we got we got 3 tablespoons of water, and we're going to have to put in some sesame oil, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. Okay, now this is our thickener, which is a tablespoon of cornstarch and 1/4 of a teaspoon of 5-spice powder to kick it up. So here we go. Let's make the sauce. This is much easier to make sugary, thick sauce, you know, in a non-stick, easier to clean. Alright, so I'm heating up some coconut oil. And got it in some batter. The shrimp are in some batter. Battered shrimp. We're going to drop them off into the coconut oil. And it's not going to take long to get these babies looking good. Do you follow me so far? Alright, the shrimp go straight out the frying pan into the sesame sauce. Like unto that right there. Come on. There we go. Alright, I've got a bed of hot steaming rice. And we're going to put the shrimps right over the rice, like that. And then pour the sesame sauce right on top. And if we had some sesame seeds and some green onions, we could sprinkle them on there and make it look all pretty. But we ain't, so we ain't the end. Paw paw.